Have you ever wondered where soapstone really comes from? Today I had the chance to visit a cave. Soapstone Quarry. Right here before the stone even becomes the beautiful carvings and household items we usually see. This is where the journey begins. From the earth itself, huge blocks of soapstone are carefully cut out by hand. It's a slow, skillful process, and you can really feel the connection between nature and craftsmanship. Walking through the quarry, I could already picture the amazing products that will come from these. Stones, bowls, carvings, ornaments, and so much more. I'll be sharing the products made from this very soapstone soon. But first, would you like to see more about how they are shaped, polished, and transformed into something truly unique? Drop a comment if you'd like to. Explore the process and discover the final products with me.